I think all of us know that A.A.K. Niazi was the name of the Pakistani general who signed the instrument of surrender at the end of the 1971 war in Bangladesh. But very few of us have any knowledge of the life of this man before or after this historic event. Niazi was able to publish his autobiography in 1998 and its Indian edition came out in 2014. I got a copy of this a few months ago. The brief story of General Niazi is as follows. Born in 1915, he joined the army as a young cadet sometime during 1934 or 35. In 1942, he was granted emergency commission. His service during the Second World War was exemplary. In a hand-to-hand battle, Niazi killed a Japanese major, and for this act of valor, he was awarded the Military Cross. He was also mentioned in dispatches. When the war ended, Niazi was detailed for Staff College, and after completing that prestigious course, his rise in the service was very quick. He got all his promotions out of turn and was decorated 4 times by the Pakistani establishment. With 6 gallantry awards, he is perhaps the most highly decorated soldier on the subcontinent. During the peak of his glory, Niazi was much loved and called a soldier's general. During the British days, he earned the sobriquet Tiger, and that nickname stuck to him all through his service. In 1971, he superseded 11 generals to be chosen to command the Eastern Army, and he took over that appointment in April 1971. As everyone knows, war broke out, during which the Indians outwitted and outsmarted the Pakistanis and forced them to surrender. After the war, Niazi spent 28 months in Jabalpur as a prisoner of war. When he was repatriated, he initially received a reasonably good treatment, but soon after that, Mr. Bhutto and his government decided to heap all blame on General Niazi. He was accused of having surrendered in a shameful and cowardly manner, and for that offense, he was dismissed from service and deprived of pension. General Niazi spent the rest of his life seeking restoration of pension and justice for himself. At the fang end of his life, he was able to publish a book which came out in 1998. I now append below an abstract from this book in which General Niazi has written a pathetic letter to the then President of Pakistan seeking restoration of his pension. This letter also summarizes the major events of the war. Over to General Niazi. Thank you.